Skin. It is the largest organ in our body. It acts as a protective barrier against the outside world. Skin also plays a crucial role in regulating body temperature, and it houses our sense of touch. Perhaps most visibly, skin displays a remarkable spectrum of colors. From the richest ebony to the fairest alabaster, human skin tone varies widely across the globe. This variation is due to a pigment called melanin. Melanin is produced by specialized cells called melanocytes, which reside in the epidermis, the outermost layer of our skin. Think of melanocytes as tiny factories, churning out melanin granules that determine our skin, hair, and eye color. The more melanin your melanocytes produce, the darker your pigmentation. Conversely, less melanin results in lighter skin tones. This variation in melanin production is not arbitrary. It is a beautiful example of human adaptation to the environment. As our ancestors migrated and settled in different parts of the world, their skin pigmentation evolved in response to varying levels of ultraviolet, UV, radiation from the sun. So, the next time you marvel at the diversity of human skin color, remember that you are witnessing millions of years of evolution at work. It is a testament to our species' remarkable ability to adapt and thrive in a wide range of environments. This adaptation, however, comes with its own set of advantages and challenges, particularly in how our skin interacts with the sun's powerful rays. Melanin is more than just a pigment that dictates our outward appearance. It is a powerful natural sunscreen, shielding our skin from the harmful effects of the sun's ultraviolet, UV radiation. UV radiation is a form of electromagnetic radiation emitted by the sun. While it is essential for life, providing us with warmth and enabling vitamin D synthesis, excessive UV exposure can be detrimental to our health. UV radiation is classified into three main types: UVA, UVB, and UVC. UVC radiation is the most energetic and harmful type. Fortunately, it is mostly absorbed by the Earth's ozone layer before it reaches us. However, UVA and UVB rays do reach the Earth's surface and can penetrate our skin. This is where melanin steps in as our first line of defense. When UV radiation hits our skin, melanocytes are stimulated to produce more melanin. Melanin absorbs UV radiation, converting it into heat, thus preventing it from damaging the DNA in our skin cells. This protective mechanism is particularly important in regions with high UV exposure, such as tropical and equatorial areas. Melanin's role in protecting our skin from UV damage cannot be overstated. It acts as a natural shield, reducing the risk of sunburn, premature aging, and skin cancer. Understanding how melanin works is crucial for appreciating the importance of sun protection for all skin types. The amount and type of melanin produced by our melanocytes are primarily determined by our genes. Each of us inherits a unique combination of genes from our parents that dictate our skin color, hair color, and eye color. These genes provide the blueprint for melanin production, influencing the size, number, and activity of our melanocytes. While multiple genes contribute to human pigmentation, a gene called MC1R plays a particularly significant role. The MC1R gene provides instructions for making a protein called the melanocortin-1 receptor, which is involved in regulating melanin production. Variations in the MC1R gene can lead to differences in melanin production, resulting in a wide range of skin and hair colors. For instance, individuals with certain variations in the MC1R gene may produce more pheomelanin, a type of melanin that provides reddish-yellow pigmentation. This is why people with these gene variants tend to have fairer skin, freckles, and red or blonde hair. On the other hand, individuals with different MC1R variants may produce more eumelanin, a type of melanin that provides brown-black pigmentation, leading to darker skin and hair colors. It is important to note that while genetics plays a major role in determining our baseline skin color, environmental factors, such as sun exposure, can also influence melanin production. The effects of UV radiation on skin vary depending on the amount of melanin present. Individuals with melanated skin, often referred to as having darker skin tones, have more melanin and therefore greater natural protection against UV radiation. Their skin is less likely to burn when exposed to the sun, and they have a lower risk of developing skin cancer. However, it's crucial to understand that while melanin offers significant protection, it does not make darker skin tones immune to sun damage. Prolonged and unprotected sun exposure can still lead to sunburn, premature aging, and an increased risk of skin cancer, even in individuals with melanated skin. On the other hand, individuals with non-melanated skin, often referred to as having lighter skin tones, have less melanin and are therefore more susceptible to the harmful effects of UV radiation. Their skin burns more easily when exposed to the sun, and they are at a higher risk of developing skin cancer. This difference in UV sensitivity is reflected in the global distribution of skin cancer rates. Skin cancer is more common in regions with higher UV exposure, such as Australia and the southern United States. However, it is essential to remember that skin cancer can affect anyone, regardless of skin color.